Hey guys, welcome back to the Architect Insider, and today we have a video about inking. How are you guys been since last week videos? Let me know in the comment section below. This image itself, so the first thing I did is I sketched everything. As you can see, it's a very light pencil drawing. Now this image itself is more of a fantasy, it's not real. As you can see, it has a few domes, which are a few memories from when I was in Turkey, and it's a few towers. And then it has some Georgian old metal style, which is just when I went to Rome with the university trip, which I just had a few ideas and memories from. Now what we will be doing today is just inking with 3 different pens. If you want to see me render this image, pro markers, watercolors, watercolor pencils, what do you guys suggest? Let me know in the comment section below. Now the first pen we're going to use is a 0.1. Now with this 0.1 pen, I'll just go over the things all the way in the background, as they are very faint and very light, and I don't want to show them in detail. Also, the 0.1 pen is a very fine pen, so what it mainly is used for is detailing. For example, window seals, window frames, doorknobs, these kind of things, which is what I will go over again at the end. So as you can see, I'm just going very light, very straight lines, being very confident with each line that I'm making, knowing it's the right thing. So I'm just going over the buildings, adding a few windows, adding a few roofs. Now I think that this is enough with the 0.1 pen. I will now move over to the 0.5. So the 0.5 pen is a bit thicker, and it's one of my favorite pens that I like to use. Now with this 0.5 pen, I'll do the things that are in the middle. So I've split the drawing into 3 parts: background, middle and front. So once again, I'm going over windows, over the doors, over roofs, windows, window seals, roof tiles, gutters, literally everything. Now as you can see, I'm holding the pen up very straight. Now this is the one downside with these pens, is that it's like a square, and when you tilt it on an angle, it becomes very pointy, and it's very difficult to get that thickness of the pen on. So you need to hold it up straight and draw it to get the proper line thickness that you want. now think that this is sufficient enough 0.5 usage. As you can see, I don't have much left to use for the 0.8. I want the main focus to be the tower, as is the most attractive feature, which is why I will use the 0.8. As you can see, the 0.8 is much thicker. Now once again I have to use it on the top, so I'm sorry if you guys can't see a lot of the drawing. Oh crap, I forgot to unfocus. Let's go to the next camera, guys. So here I'm going over all the lines, the roofs, the dome, the doors, the windows. There's a little bridge as well. What I'm doing now is I'm using the 0.1 pen to go over any details, for example the roof tile direction, any other windows, some bricks, some blocks, for example the dome, anything. You can even do a bit of hatching in specific areas where you want shadows. Now this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this inking. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this image. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.